Hi, lovelies. Welcome back to Fahima's world. It's been a long, long time. I miss you, my love. I really appreciate everybody who comes back to this channel, even if I'm like, go and come, go and come. Yeah, it's not easy being consistent on YouTube. We all just trying our best. Anyway, if it's your first time coming across my video, this is Fahima and you are welcome to this channel. I do a lot of skincare products reviews. I review creams, body oils, skin cleansers, everything skincare, okay? I use the product and come back and tell you guys about it. I also do a little bit of vlogs about my daily life and motivational videos. So in this video, as you can see from the title, we are going to review the famous Kojie San soap. A lot of people have been using this soap, but it gives them issues. I as well got issues with this soap back in 2020. It ruined my face so badly. I believe I bought the fake one or I didn't use it properly. So this time when I bought it, I made sure to make research on how to use Kojiesan properly so that it doesn't damage your skin. So this soap, it comes with two big bars inside, okay? You can get anyone in any store, supermarket. It's really available everywhere. I'm not going to talk about how to differentiate the original product and the fake one because I don't have knowledge on that. So the one I got, it looks like this, and this is the back of the product. Inside, I found two big bars of this soap, and I went on to cut it in smaller pieces. The reason why we cut this soap is because it melts so quickly. So when you finish cutting this in small pieces, you make sure to put the remaining product back into the plastic bag and keep it inside the box, okay? So this is the tiny one that you're going to be using on a daily basis. I have my little plate over here where I keep my soap. So this is my old bar that I've been using, and this is the new one for the sake of the video. Guys, this soap can get a bit messy, so make sure you have a plate where you can keep it just in case there is a little mess. It can stay on the plate, and you can see the color of the soap. If it comes to your sink or your clothes, maybe it will ruin them. So make sure you have a plate like this. First things first, do not use hot water when washing your face with Kojiesan soap, okay? We are going cold water. So here I am. We are going to put just a little bit of water on our palm. You guys cannot see the process because there's a lot going on here. Ring lights everywhere. Content creation is not easy. So yeah, I have a foam of soap in my hand. You make sure you get quite a bit and just put this on your face, as you can see here, carefully. So make sure you apply generously on the areas where you feel that you have dark spots and hyperpigmentation, okay? This one can also be used on the other parts of the body, not the face only. You apply it maybe around your neck, your arms, your thighs, underneath your, okay? Anywhere you feel like you want to lighten a little bit, you can go ahead and use it. So where people go wrong is that when they're using Kojiesan soap, they leave it to sit on their faces for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. That does not work, my darlings, because this soap, it has a little bit of kojic acid, so it may not be good to be left on the skin for a very long time. So just a few seconds, as you can see here, we're gonna go ahead and wash it off our faces with cold water. Let me come back. Stay, don't go anywhere. Woo! Woo! Hello, are you still here or you left already? So, washing the face is done. I used to be an advocate for like face towels. Immediately, I used to tell you, lovey, when you finish washing your face, use a towel. But these days, I changed to using tissues. I just use facial tissues because I feel like towels too can keep dirt on them if you don't wash properly. So I've been going with just tissues. Just tap, be gentle with your skin. Don't go. No, 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 no. We are gentle over here. Love your skin, treat it nicely. Give your skin princess treatment, okay? So we're going with just a little bit of tissues under the eyes, okay? So, caution, immediately after using Kojiesan soap, you have to make sure you moisturize, okay? This is how to get proper results while using Kojiesan soap. Apply it on your face, leave it for just a few seconds. Few seconds, honey, like 2 to 3 seconds. Don't go a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 30 minutes. No, just a few seconds, okay? Immediately after washing it off, we are going to moisturize, okay? Okay. I've been loving these Nivea moisturizers, you guys. As much as I talk about skincare and I love skincare, it doesn't mean that my skin is perfect. I as well get breakouts. I change skincare products here and there. Whatever doesn't work for me, I sometimes switch, not immediately because I love to give things time. But I've been breaking out a lot. You know, Dubai, the heat. Every time it's summer, I break out a lot. I don't know. The heat and my skin, they don't get along. Anyway, I've been loving this Nivea cream. I'm using it as a moisturizer. This thing is fine. Inside. I love it. So we are just taking a little bit, okay? A little bit of the Nivea moisturizer. Massage it inside your skin. Massage it inside your skin. Gently. Make sure you're covering all areas. Your nose, your forehead. My forehead is my target place for moisturizing because it gets exposed to the sun directly, okay, or immediately, like the face comes boom to the forehead. When you use Kojiesan soap and go out without moisturizing in direct sunshine, it may give you issues. So, honey, make sure you moisturize. This is the dark spot correcting gloss serum that I just bought recently to help me with, these dark spots going on over here. So I'm just taking a little bit of this and applying on my skin. Guys, a little goes a long way, okay? Don't be finishing the bottle of the product in one day, okay? Make sure to put a little bit around gently. So my dark spot correcting serum is done. The last thing we are gonna go with is sunscreen. You always have to wear sunscreen after using Kojiesan. Wear sunscreen, especially if you're going out immediately. If you're using during the day, maybe at night, if you use and going to bed, you can do moisturizer and anything else you like and go to bed. But if you're stepping out like me, I may go out later and yeah, it's very hot in the UAE. So I have to go in with my sunscreen. A little goes a long way, honey. Just that. My friend got me this sunscreen from the US. It's the Up and Up SPF 30 sunscreen lotion. I'm just trying it out. Before, the one I was using was from Dr. Rochelle that I got from here in Dubai. So my friend got me a lot of good skincare products from the US. If anything works out better than the things I got from the UAE, I'll come and tell you guys because yeah, I love to share my experiences with you. So let's see how this sunscreen is going to be with my skin. I'll come and give you guys a review. A lot of you, I know, people always comment and tell me, Fahima, talk about sunscreens. What can we use? You guys can see already that this sunscreen, you all see the glow. It doesn't leave a white mark on my face. It goes in immediately. That means it's absorbable, okay? So that's it. Kojiesan soap is easy to use. Just don't be extra with it. Don't let it sit on your skin for so many hours. Just in and out. You put it on a few seconds, wash it off with cold water, moisturize, use sunscreen, and wait for the results. Also, caution, caution, caution. Kojiesan soap is not to be used every day. Okay, this is a treatment soap. It's supposed to use just like twice a week, once a week. It's not a soap that you can use every day. Okay, that's it, my loves. I hope you like this video. These are the products I have used on my face. Okay, this is a glow serum, also for dark spot correcting. I've been loving Nivea skin products, so this is my recent cream. You guys, I have dropped Vaseline for the first time in my life. I have dropped Vaseline to use Nivea. I realized that this thing does not make me sweat a lot. When I use Nivea, I don't sweat a lot. So before I was struggling with like sweating immediately. I took so fast. I was suffering with sweating, and I noticed that because I use a lot of jelly and Vaseline, maybe that's why I sweat a lot when I go outside. So I have dropped Vaseline a little bit to use creams that may make me not sweat a lot, like just basic cream like this. And this is the Up and Up sunscreen SPF 30. I'll be giving you reviews of these two products in the nearest future if they work properly on my skin. Thank you, my loves, for watching. If you love me, if you really love me, do not leave this video without liking it and sharing it to people who want to maybe try out Kojiesan soap or want to discover a lot of different things about creams, lotions, and skincare. And also make sure to subscribe. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya. Mwah.